that's starting.
There you go.
Clean up nice.
That day the pigs fly, boys.
BBQ shoes on.
Pigs are gonna be flying good today, boys.
All right. Oh, wait a minute. I asked you, can you fly?
See, these are pig wings.
That's a talkative.
I told you they were talking.
They're real talkative.
They're gonna be good.
All right.
Pigs really can fly. We got ourselves some pig wings here, boys.
Awesome,
This is
man.
where you
We
left.
came back from the farm. Told you we were gonna come back with some wings. Well, came back with some pork wings.
We're going buffalo pig wings, man. We gotta do the buffalo,
I
man.
saw a pig dive off of a dock into a lake. Bob.
It's a pig flying. It's flying.
Was that at one of your campgrounds?
What the heck?
Don't be afraid. We got buffalo.
If you can smell that,
These are gonna be the most tender wings you'll ever have.
All right, we got ourselves our pork wings here. Obviously, pigs don't have wings, so these are pork shanks. They're French. They're lollipops.
Look at
They're brined and ready to go on our grill. They're gonna be real tender.
And they look just like a chicken drumette. That's where they get it from. And these are
Chicken drumette.
fantastic. That marinating, right? That brine, they put them in and then bring them to market is fantastic. They'll be
And
so
put our
juicy.
buffalo spices on it.
Yeah.
So, ready to rock.
So, what do we got going on here? I think we got, whoa, we got some bean chili going on here. We'll put this to the side. Yeah. So this is real easy to do, right? Yep. So we'll put this on our Santa Maria. These Santa Marias are awesome. They give you all kinds of control over your heat because you can raise and lower this grate as you need to, right? So I mean, that's, don't get any better than that. Now you could put this on a kettle grill. You can do these in the house, but no, it's all about out here at the pit, hanging. So all we do now is keep flipping and turning. Oh, man.
With our buffalo pig wings. No scary.
Oh, the Vegematics are gonna love this part, man. Pit Boys are using veggies.
Oh, the doctor told us we gotta eat more veggies.
Looks real pretty. Just keep them turning.
let me see your account. Good.
Oh, it smells good.
You gotta give it to me for next month when I go to pay the
Man, that looks great.
Pepper here.
That's what it's about. Oh yeah.
Tar on them, boys. Smell that?
Oh, it smells good. Oh, man. Now what we can do is raise the grate on the Santa Maria, slow it down a little bit, man, and you guys can listen there. There we go. Ultimate temperature control here. Slow it down. Man. is what you get when you go to the House of Sausage, man. Oh, beautiful.
So the key is just keep on turning.
Yeah. Now you could do this on a kettle, right, with the cover, and you won't have to worry about flipping them all the time. You got that even heat, you know, and you can cook them like indirect. But it's the way to do it.
So what do you think for an internal temp boarding on these? 160. 160.
160
All right.
suffice for them.
Yeah.
He's been Brining too well, so this should be
Oh, yeah.
tender.
You can basically go by color on them.
Yeah.
I'll let them get a little more crispy.
Looks
So this
good.
one's darker. Just flip them
Yeah.
and keep rolling them.
That buffalo rub gives it a nice color too.
You got good
right?
heat coming off of this.
A lot of heat. Yep. Watch out.
Closer inspection. Wow, look at that. That make it? Put a little stick on that pig and let it go.
Good. It's looking good.
We're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. Oh, wait till she sees this. Has anybody seen her lately? I haven't
She
seen
was
her.
at the farm when we were going
She was at the farm.
Hey, hi. Yeah, I know. Martha was following me.
Yeah. Here we go. Around here.
I want that color. Yeah, that's dark.
There you go.
Clean up nice.
So this is give me that.
All right, I say these are done, man. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Look at this. Look at that.
Smell that buffalo.
Yep. You said that pigs can't fly, and I'm telling you what.
The day
So-
the pigs fly.
Listen to it. I can still hear the oink.
See, these are pig wings.
Hear that? Oh, yeah. How high can we pile this, man?
Times like this is the best time to be hungry.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. We're setting right down right there and
That's
And I
a
say-
camera-worthy moment there.
have at it.
Let them cool a little bit.
Oh, man, yeah.
Don't want to have lava on here.
Yep. Throw that right on the pit. Yep. Do that.
Drop that down. Usually they're good.
Heat up those beans. There we go. Look at that. So, we all want to, shall we do our ending thing or don't do it? I don't know. There's nothing much more to say here except that the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. Yeah, man. All right. We need to make another whole batch of them.
Right.
We only started with 20? Man.